I bet you're so excited to get started, so I want to just talk through the best options for your little one to wear in the pool and help you get them swim ready. Firstly, are they potty trained? If not, you will need to get them to wear a swimming nappy. These can be purchased from your local supermarket in your child's nappy size. They do not inflate and do not absorb water like an ordinary nappy. Next, you will need a happy nappy. These are made of a neoprene material, and the best ones are by a company called Splashabout. These are nice and snug around the waist and thighs so that no accidents escape into the pool. There are so many different kinds of happy nappies. They come in all sizes from 0 to 5 years. You can even buy happy nappy costumes with the happy nappy already built in, which are super cute. There are so many different types of costumes for your little ones to wear. I would just always ensure you're positive that they won't have an accident in the pool. Ordinary shorts are okay, however can create drag, which is why I always prefer the happy nappies or jammers seen here on my son Louis. Poncho towels are the best to keep them lovely and warm after their swimming lesson, and as the towels go over their head, they keep their arms free as well as yours and enables them to walk without tripping. What your little one wears in the pool is entirely up to you, but these are just my suggestions to keep your little one happy and the pool clean and safe for you and others around you.